If you want to pay on itch.io without using PayPal, this video will show you the simplest way to do it. A lot of people assume PayPal is the only option, but depending on the game and the seller's payment settings, you may also be able to use a credit or debit card directly. That means you can still support creators and buy games even if you don't want to connect a PayPal account. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, go to itch.io in your browser and find the game you want to buy. Once you're on the game page, look for the Buy button and click it. This will open the purchase page where the payment options are listed. Now, here's the important part. If the creator has enabled card payments, you should see an option for credit or debit card. Select that option instead of PayPal. After that, enter your card details carefully, including the card number, expiry date, and security code. Make sure your billing information is correct as well, because mistakes here can cause the payment to fail. Once everything looks good, click Pay or complete the purchase to finish the transaction. If the card option is available, this is usually the fastest way to buy on itch.io without PayPal. If you don't see the card option, it may mean that the seller has only enabled PayPal for that specific listing, so you may need to check another payment method or another game page. The key thing to remember is that payment options on itch.io can vary depending on the creator and the item you're buying. So if one purchase doesn't show card checkout, that doesn't always mean the platform itself is blocked. It usually just means that particular seller has limited the available payment methods. For best results, always check the payment options before you try to complete the checkout. And if you're using a bank card, make sure your bank allows online purchases and international transactions, since that can also affect whether the payment goes through. So that's how to pay itch.io without PayPal when the card option is available. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to look, the process is very straightforward. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple guides like this one.